Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. If you run a fintech, NBFC, or insurance company in India, staying compliant is not optional, but most founders have no clear idea what it actually costs them each year. So, this calculator gives you that number. This is the compliance cost calculator by Upgrowth. Just enter five simple inputs and you can instantly see your total annual compliance cost, what percentage of your revenue that is, and so on. So, let's quickly check what are those inputs. So the calculator has five fields. First is complaint staff count. Enter the number of people in your complaints team. This includes your complaints officer, any AML analyst, and legal staff who work on regulatory matters. And next is average annual salary per person. Enter the average yearly pay for these team members. This becomes the biggest part of your total complaints cost, usually around 50 to 60% of the total. Next is technology and tools cost per year. This covers all the software your team uses to stay compliant. Things like KYC tools, AML screening tools, and reporting systems. So enter the total yearly spend here. And next is external audit and legal costs per year. Enter what you spend on outside auditors, legal advisors, and regulatory filing fees each year. And the last input is annual revenue. Enter your yearly revenue. This lets the calculator show your complaints cost as a percentage of your income, so you can see if your spend is in a normal range or too high. So once the input are filled, just click on calculate complaints cost and the result will pop up right below. So on the output, you get four clear numbers: your total annual complaints cost, what percentage of your revenue that is, your monthly burn on complaints, and the cost per employee. This helps you quickly check whether your complaint spending is in line with other companies at your stage. And for context, growth stage fintechs typically spend between 5 and 10% of revenue on complaints. If your number is much higher, it is a sign that automation or outsourcing could bring costs down. If it seems too low, you may be underinvested and taking on risk. So most fintech founders underestimate their complaints cost by 40 to 60% because they forget to count engineering time and management hours. This calculator gives you a clear starting point. Also, if you want help building your fintech growth strategy alongside your complaint setup, the link to book a free strategy call with Upgrowth is right below. Click on it, book a growth consultation with us. Let's talk. Thank you.